Hey friends, welcome to your quick full body stretch. I invite you to join me in a cross-legged seat as we settle into our practice. Feel free to sit on a folded blanket, pillow, or couch cushion. Right away, I invite you to plant a seed at the base of your spine. Grow tall through your spinal chain and reach the crown of your head towards the sky. Draw your shoulders up towards your ears. Send your shoulders back in space, and then release your shoulders away from your ears. Explore a gentle tuck of your chin as you breathe in and out. I invite you to direct your focus down and past your nose, or you can close your eyes. As you breathe in, slowly move your left ear towards your left shoulder, moving with your inhalation. Hold the stretch for a moment, and then breathe out. Breathe in as you slowly move your head back through center. Breathe out. Breathe in as you slowly release your right ear towards your right shoulder, moving with your inhalation. Holding the stretch for a moment, and then breathe out. Breathe in to slowly bring your head back to center, and then breathe out through your mouth. Open your eyes, and now let's make our way to all fours. Feel free to place a folded blanket under your knees for additional padding. Find a tabletop position to start, placing your wrists under your shoulders and your knees are stacked under your hips. There is an option to tuck your toes under, or you can keep them untucked. Send your hips back towards your heels. And now, very slowly, begin to walk your hands forward, releasing your heart space closer towards the ground as your belly reaches towards the tops of your thighs. Keep your core engaged here in order to support your back body. Your forehead may be lifted off of the ground, or perhaps your forehead kisses the mat. Feel free to widen the gap between your arms if you are looking for a little more space. Wherever you are in the stretch, I invite you to breathe in, breathe out. Breathe into your spinal chain. Breathe out. As you breathe in, direct your breath to your upper back and all around your shoulder blades. Breathe out. There is an option to stay here, or you can connect to your center as you lift your head and your chest away from the ground. Continue reaching forward as you walk your hands towards the right side of your mat. Release your heart space and your forehead closer towards the earth as you stretch out through the left side body. Breathing deeply into the stretch. Connect to your center, lifting your upper body away from the ground as you walk your hands through center and then to the left side of your mat. Breathe deeply here. Take your time as you slowly make your way back to center with your hands reaching towards the top edge of your mat once again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hug your belly button in towards your spine as you press yourself back up to a tabletop position. Please untuck your toes if they were tucked under. Take a breath in here. And as you breathe out, round through your spine, tailbone tucks under, and the crown of your head reaches towards the ground. Press away from your mat. Spread through your fingers. Imagine that you are a cat and you are stretching your back body after a long nap. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out through your mouth. Make your way back to a neutral spine, hugging your belly button in towards your spine to lengthen through your low back. Curl your right toes under and then slide your right foot towards the back edge of your mat. Press into the top of your left foot as you reach your left hand forward, with your thumb facing towards the sky. Spread through your fingers and your toes. Reach in both directions as you breathe in and out. Wonderful. Come back to a tabletop position. Curl your left toes under and then slide your left foot back. Reach your right hand forward. Spread through your fingers and your toes. Take up space as you breathe in and out. Wonderful. Make your way back to a tabletop position. Swing your legs to one side, coming back to a seated position on your mat. You can choose to sit on a folded blanket or a pillow. Place your hands at your sides and place the soles of your feet out in front of you. Walk the soles of your feet together and then allow your knees to fall open. Press the soles of your feet together. Your feet are active. You may even play around with spreading through your toes. As you bring your palms together, hands in front of your heart. Spread through your fingers, palms pressed together, as your elbows go from left to right. Find length through your back body. Hug your low ribs and belly button in slightly to engage your core. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, move from center, rotating your torso towards the right. This will likely be a small movement. Maintain active prayer hands to experience a lovely stretch in your wrists and your forearms. Breathe in. Breathe out to come back to center. Breathe in. Breathe out to rotate your torso towards the left side. Breathe in, directing the breath down to your belly. Breathe out to come back through center, and then release your hands to your outer thighs. Draw your legs together, and then find a cross-legged seat. Let's close our practice with 3 loving cycles of breath. Breathe in. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out with a sigh. I invite you to return to this practice often for a quick full body stretch. Thank you so much for being here. We close our practice by saying thank you or Namaste.